Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. In case you haven't noticed, take a little break from the crime videos. You're going to soon start hear about like border 87 and you might hear about that gang and Daniel. But they're on a little run right now where we make content outside of that. Love and time you have a good reason. It's money from the PIA, the Patreon squad. When they link me and say, look at you, but they messed themselves to this. I'm going to say, no, say, them things I got always go on because this and that. And by the time we done talk, I say, no. I have to drop this now on video. PIA member link me. I tell me, say, she live back of God. You know, when Jamaicans say live back of God, you know, so that's some far place, that's what they call Woyo. She tell me, say, if she a little girl, which part she live, then on a real road. A dirt track then drive, man. Dirt track. But you saw a little thing go on for them. Place start get a little development. Construction start go up. Them get all one little plaza down the road, they never have done something do much years. And drive go down a plaza now. But before we go into Spur Hill and how even that we can take a lifeless note of. I don't know a Fireside series. We have a special Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to Janelle, coming from your mom, Karma. I know say Karma must have said, boy, look at YouTuber, forget me. You little black boy, forget about the shout out. Karma, see it, yeah? Janelle, big up yourself, you know. Your mother tell me, you're not just an amazing daughter, but she also rate your ambition. Let them to look at YouTuber, you know she start all her own business. Your man is an entrepreneur. As them say, that is it. Yeah man. Them things they will like here. Janelle, your mother is proud of you. In her own words, you're an extraordinary child. Humble. She say you read a lot. But what really put a smile on my face is when time she tell me say, you introduce her to the local YouTuber. She say you introduce her to the local YouTuber. And from there so, right, the link make till she all reach Patreon squad. You see, them can't start the movement, you know. When you have mothers, daughters, fathers, sons, now you're gone multi-generational. It has to be studied. Janelle, big up yourself. One more year around the sun. Wish you many more to come. And Karma, you don't know it already. We don't have to say nothing more. Right, that's Karma in Canada, but not Winnipeg. Right, you don't know. Remember, so when they get accepted in the course of Winnipeg, so we not give them no shout out, no aliens. So Karma and Janelle, big up on yourself. See, we could get back to the video. So when time I first started getting message them, I said, what the problem so far? This sound like things are going. But to the first message sound like there's a problem. So I wonder, so I have to ask, but this sound like things are going, man. What the problem? So look at YouTube, but you're going to hear the problem. She said, road fix, dirt truck all them life, you know, now them a drive and a walk on asphalt. Everybody a clap on. She said within 6 weeks, when they drive on the road, all they hear it. Cause she start sending voice note now, so nobody can hear it. Same way she expressed it. I said, but that sound like bad road. So me say, me don't know why them man on road can't last more than a month, you know, because me see it all the time too. By the time they fix the road, the road just dig up back and be a part of what. She said, no, the road not dig up back. Now I'm even more confused. So if the road not dig up back, oh yeah, you. She said, look at YouTuber, the place them when me tell you say, I build up about the place, plaza and all kind of something. She said when time the man them a draw material everything dash me. So till the new road start to feel like the old road. If them a draw gravel, when you a drive back on the road, a big gravel yard. If them a draw stone, half a stone them on the truck back drop off, and you a drive over stone. Say them a carry water, whole like water spread up on the road, and then one next truck a carry some gravel. Then the gravel go drop on the water. Car come. Drive on top of the gravel mix with the water. Flip turn over gone mash up. You can't make this up. So even when there is quote unquote progress in Irie man, somehow it is quickly followed by regression. As there is progression, there is quickly regression. Irie Saxons are overgrown children. I tell you this all the time. The same way nothing is safe in the hands of a child, and the same way nothing is safe in the hands of an Irish Saxon. And after that conversation, it lit a flame in my head and remind me of something that I've been observing from Wappy Kill Philo. And me always observe this from Spur Tree Hill. When the man them a go up Spur Tree Hill, if you want to observe a smart dummy, because there are too many smart dummies right, in Irie man. If you want to observe a smart dummy, just observe the man them will go up Spur Tree Hill. The truck them. If you ever make the mistake, anything the man they draw, half fight left on Spur Tree Hill. You ever drive behind one water truck up Spur Tree Hill yet? By the time you reach the top of Spur Tree Hill, no water no left in the truck, you know. The man them full the water truck to the very brim. I'm telling you, them full the truck to the very brim on flat land. And then turn gone up Spur Tree Hill. And now the whole of the water, the truck don't even go in, the truck don't even seal up because all part of the top of the truck a leak. All the part where the water for going are leak, you know. Sometimes they don't even have on the cover. I've seen it. The cover for the top of the truck not even on. And you drive behind the truck and a be water, you wonder if rain or fall. You go up Spur Tree and I wonder if rain or fall up at the top part of Spur Tree. Because be water, the whole of the water, by the time you reach at the top, the water gone, you know. Half of the water gone. So any community might go supply water, half of the people them get what they don't get. Because the water left back down a Spur Tree Hill. Man a draw gravel. Load the truck on flat land till the gravel higher than the highest point of the truck back. Him form one little mount gravel. And him turn up Spur Tree Hill and the wall of the gravel the back of him, you know. I feel sorry for whoever buy that gravel. The whole of that gone. If you buy sand, if you buy 1,500 yard, if you buy 110 million yard, by the time him reach your yard, your supper get down by the dog. The whole of that left down Spur Tree Hill. And if you point out to this dopey bot, so you're going up Spur Tree Hill, why you putting so much gravel in your truck? The truck is going to be at an angle. Him tell you say him a drive truck before you're born. It has to be studied. Too much smart dummies. Lego loose in the air, man. Too much smart dummies. Cause him a tell you say, me just go so boom now, me just full up the truck, that way me only make one trip. Yeah bro, you see me smart, one trip. But when you reach where I go, the whole of material gone. It has to be studied. Even when the man them a bill, them destroy. Even when Irie Saxons claim them a bill, them destroy. The man say the water truck pass through and the whole of the water come off and went up the road. Then the truck with the gravel pass through. Whole of the gravel drop. Gravel, mall, all kind of sitting, drop and mix up with the water. Car man a come. Gone, mash up. So you imagine you live somewhere back of God and dip on your dirt truck and see Barber Green drop and say yeah things go on. I know every time you dip on your brand new Barber Green, you still call it Barber Green. Every time you drive, all you hear is just like the old days when you never have none. So now you're going back to your dirt road. It feel like the dirt road. The same way the dirt road unstable and slippery and it's fling away. At the same way man get fling away on the asphalt. That's to be studied. And when time I drop these videos, how you know these issues are not concentrated to just one part, even though the decision at them both which live back of God, where you were. Jamaicans all over right now I listen to this video and I say you know it's a real thing. A real thing, you know. Me can relate. I see him over here so stay. See him over this so stay. Development is good, but it have to do on the order, it have to make sense. Can't be no wild west thing. So my sister said then when you can't talk to you man them what dash the whole water up on the road and sitting. She go tell me say the man them want to do the development. Let's just say there's some very spooky characters and people them in the community hear about their reputation and they really want to trouble with them. That's the next side to it. Enough Dan and all kind of dopey butt. In a them kind of hurt there. So when you even try to talk to a man and show him what go on, even though you in the right, even though what you're saying is right, you can try to use badness on you. And if you even try to go through the official means to file a report, you might have links down there so too. You go down all of the council and the man down at the council and friend. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself, PIA, don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.